Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to be videoing at Bathley Lane level crossing. This will be for your 12:16 LNR service from Bradford Foster Square to Grantham. Down over there. Down at Noel. A bit, but really. This is alarm. That's what we're dealing with. Here he is. Oh, I had some of them. If it's coming Bradford, it'll be coming from that way. Okay, so this train's going to be coming from that way. It's heading to Bradford Foster Square, it's heading to Grantham. Tell a lie. I thought it would come in that way then. Probably is knowing me. Hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you're kind enough, please drop a like and subscribe. If we're not staying, I'll go across again. Bradford Grantham. Here he is. Here he is. To Grantham. Are we going up? Yes, we are. Lucky enough, I'll cross. No, I went. .28 London Leeds, mate. Last time I were here, it was a flat tone. I think they've mended it. I should take note of this. Name Bathley Lane, grid reference SK 91588. Mileage ECM1122M77CH. Warning, do not trespass on railway, penalty £1,000. Any Samaritans card. Next one's 12:28 London Leeds London, sorry. you walk over here, should take note that the road's going to be closed from 13th to 14th of January, 12:30 to 5:30. So that's 12:30 at night till 5:30 in the morning. And I should take note, that's that way. That's that way. And that's the other one. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you're kind enough, please drop a like and subscribe. Next one's 12:28, Leeds, London. Wait a bit. That's your alarm. So if you walk over here, you can actually see your alarm there. That's it. Yep. This will be for your Leeds, London. Right, time now is 12:20. This will be for your 12:20 LNER service from Leeds to London King's Cross. Get a good view here. My hands are shaking like mad today because it's cold. It's really cold today. Don't know why. This is going to be a Leeds, London. So it'll be coming this way. They're coming this way because it's coming from Leeds. He's heading to King's Cross. Oh, what a lovely day. It's cold. Now when cold gets in my hands, it's murder. It makes it shit. Oh, here he is. Here we are. No, this is going to be a Leeds, London. I knew it was. To Leeds. Up we go. I knew it was 1 at 2. Nah, so Remy pipped on and waved at me. Now I'll be waiting on another Leeds in a few minutes' time. You know, train drivers are so nice. They always wave to me. I hope you're enjoying this video so far. If you're kind enough, please drop a like and subscribe. Might be lucky enough to cross. Yeah, he waved at me, that train driver.
So he picked auto on it there, didn't he?
Yeah. They all...
No,
I'm still videoing for a bit.
Are we going to next one?
For a bit, I'll stay here for a bit longer.
Alright then.
There's no rush, is there?
No.
Right. 12:40 London Leeds again. I hope I'm lucky enough to cross. That way London Leeds. Thought it was. So alright. I thought it was coming from Leeds to London, but it was vice versa. Your first one was from Bradford to Grantham. Your second one what's just gone past were London Leeds. And your third one's going to be a Leeds London look. That's the timetable for today. Really weird. They do vary a lot. I mean, if you come to, like, I was at Newark Northgate today, and I filmed, yeah, but there was no point me uploading that video, because, you know, I only got one train. I'll leave it, it'll not show up. Yeah. It's gone now. With an older one. Right, time now is 12:40. This will be for your 12:40 LNER service from London King's Cross to Leeds. And why did I just run then? I ran quick. My hands aren't shaking as much. It's because they're getting warm. After this we'll wrap it up. Here we are. Here we are. Welcome to Bathley Lane level crossing in Bathley. He did wave at me. This will be coming this way again, from London to Leeds. That's my timetable for today. You're waiting on your London Leeds. Not as much now. They were checking at Church Lane. Oh, here he is. Here we are. From Leeds to London King's Cross. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you're kind enough, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.